end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees.
Yan, nakauwi na ang bahay. Try naman tayo na huwag masyadong mamili. Kasi medyo maganda na lang ang pamili. So, ito lang yung bili ko. So, nilagay ko na lang siya sa ito, winter jacket. Pero light jacket lang siya. Yung mga pang spring siguro or fall. And I have another black pants. Na mahaba. So, papaputulan ko pa yung dito niya. Another pants. For regalo natin to kay tita. Na alam na rin naman niya. Okay. Para siyang jumpsuit. Pero may fleece sa loob. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan niya ito pasusuot. Yun muna for today's video. Gutom na ako, so magluluto na ako. Pag winter, ang daming sinusuot, ang daming hinubad. Hindi, magluluto muna tayo ng lunch. Although late lunch, pero gutom na. Buti na lang, hindi masyadong napagasta. Bili rin ako ng ating pang-hygiene na nahulog-hulog pa yung camera. Ang daming alam. Ito lang. Ang gulo yun. Okay na muna. Hanggang dun muna ang mga gastusan. Dahil OA na. Dahil pang gagastusin.
Let me read you a story.
Winter time and sky is bright, no snow in sight. Shorts and sandals always bright, even in the night. We have a fun in the Christmas sun. Palm trees swaying, carols sung, friends all together, warmth we share in the air and in hearts everywhere. Santa's tired of cold weather ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph, sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun. Heavy sun, not heavy coats. Time to raise wants it toast. I want ways from the bottom of my heart. A season of hope. Let's have our fun in the Christmas sun. Yuletide laughter for everyone. Singing and dancing. Winter freezing.
Tayo ngayon sa bahay. Sumabay ka Christine. Hindi siya naniniwala na nag-video ako. So, ano siya ng tank ngayon. Ayan, si Tina, naka-red na yan. Ayan, dahan-dahan yan siya. Tapos papasok na siya.
Tanginang ginaw. Sabi mo po.
Hi, guys! Naiya kasi si Tin. Si Tin nga pala, ka-work ko yan sa Fairmont. Say hi, Tin! So, mag-subscribe na kayo sa lahat ng mga taga Tyndall Park, sa lahat ng, saan nga kayo sa Pilipinas? sa kapatid nga taga Calgary, hello!
No more.
Kaya yung buhay ng Canada, anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Hirap magpunas ng puwet ng alaga ko.
Kat din.
Santa's time to go wherever ready. Watch it sunny. Ho, 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 Rudolph, sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in this.
That looks nice. To my PGWP. To my permit. Ano na, nakuha ko na yung mga... This is an AI.
When I was in Japan,
Yeah, just give me 1 second for the sound.
Sarap.
it's salty.
Salty. Baka fresh from dagat. Are you getting more food? What are you? Because we only have 10, 9, 8, 7. Strawberry.
What about the crispy sliders? They're tasty. They do come with a horseradish aioli on
Oh,
them.
no,
So
no, this
horseradish
raspberry.
is Pretty great snack.
Okay, I'll go get one.
Yeah? And you're okay with the horseradish?
Less.
Yeah, just light on the sauce? Yeah, sounds good.
So, nag-uwi na tayo ngayon. Mabilis na mabilis lang yung dinner, pero meron nagbigay sa akin ng mga cards. Tingnan natin kung may kalakip. Ano unang gusto niyo? Green or red? Green or red?
Green.
Green.
Merry Christmas lang naman yan card.
Ano mo? Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays! Yun.
Walang papel na kasama.
Kalakip. Ito daw, the chance. Merry and bright. Kelsey.